Hi, this is a demonstration of Weight-A-Minure's vectoring utility. This utility can save you time and provide unsurpassed accuracy in your balancing and heavy metal installations. It is also a great learning tool to help you fully master the how-tos of balancing. Today I'm going to use the vectoring utility to correct the dreaded problem of the heavy spot not being on the crank pin or the counterweight. In the drawing figure 1, the X represents the correction point. Since it is neither on the crank pin or the counterweight, the only solution to this problem is to vector or move the weight to a correctable location. In figure 2, you will notice the desired new location is 90 degrees from the original, with the heavy spot centralized in the counterweight. The question is, how can I achieve this? This is done by installing a precise amount of weight in the counterweight at an exact location. To calculate how much and exactly where, we will use the vectoring utility. Okay, let's take a look at the calculator. The leftmost display is the starting position, as represented as 0 degrees or 12 o'clock. Beneath the display, you enter the amount of unbalance from your balancer. Okay? The middle display represents the correction or installation angle for the weight that you will be adding. Beneath this display is the amount of weight that you will be using during the simulation. As you rotate the weight from the original position, the vector position display moves to a new location. This new location is displayed in degrees and grams of unbalance. Okay, so I'll just toggle that and you'll see as I move the correction and move this weight, we're getting a new location. The vector position is exactly where your new heavy spot will be located, and the exact amount of unbalance will be displayed below it. So let's use the material weight calculator to calculate the proper weight to move the 100 gram heavy spot to its new location of plus 90 degrees. Okay, first off, enter the metal size you would like to try first. Okay, so in this example I'm going to use 1 inch. Just put 1 in there. And next, the counterweight thickness would be 1.1 inches. Okay. Our heavy metal gain is 130.71. Let's round off to 131 grams and enter that in the calculator's window. We'll close this out and enter 131 grams. Okay, so now let's say we're starting at 0. We're going to rotate this and slowly rotate to 131 until we go to approximately 90 degrees in the vector position window. Okay, 140 grams gave us a 90 degree new vector position. Say we're plus 90. And we have an imbalance of 84.2 grams. So now you know exactly where to install the correction weight to solve this problem. Now if we could not move the vector position display enough, then we would have to increase the correction weight. And say on the other hand, if we move the weight to the desired position but found that the imbalance was undesirable, say it was too much, 200 grams, we don't want to have to do that much drilling, then you would decrease the trial weight. So that's all there is to it. Enter the imbalance, enter the weight of the correction you would like to try, and without drilling a hole or wasting any time, you will be positive that when you make this correction, it will be in the location and the amount that you expected. That's it for now. Thank you for viewing this demonstration.